How to enable Face ID on Binance app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can enable Face ID on the Binance app. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Binance app on your phone. Once the app is open, simply tap on the Binance icon at the top left corner of your screen, and this will open up your profile page. Now, when you are in the profile page, simply click on your name to open your profile details. And here you can see several options like VIP privileges, verification, security, and Twitter. From there, simply tap on security. Now, we need to enable the passkey to use Face ID. And under the security section, simply tap on the passkeys. Once you are on the passkeys page, tap on Add Passkey and you will be prompted to continue. Simply tap on that and next you will be asked to verify your identity. This might include using your fingerprint or Face ID. Follow the on-screen prompts to authenticate yourself. And if the verification is needed like entering your passcode, do that as well. And once you have done that, your passkey will be successfully added. And now you should be able to use Face ID for additional security. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.